my name is Laura, and I'm an experienced specialist here at Discovery Place Science. Today, we're going to talk about solubility. Solubility is the ability for one substance to dissolve into another substance. A solute, like this candy heart here, is the substance which is being dissolved. Meanwhile, our liquids here are our solvents. But you can use any type of liquid that you find laying around your house. Next, we'll take our candy hearts and drop them into each container. And we'll return in 5 minutes to see what's happened. It's been about 5 minutes, so let's check on our hearts. Let's check on the vinegar. So there's no more writing on the heart. It seems to be a little smaller, and the vinegar is even turned a little blue. Next, let's check on the oil. As you can see, there's still writing on the candy heart, and it hasn't changed much size. Lastly, we'll take a look at the water. As you can see, it's a little blue in tint. There's no more writing, and the heart itself has gotten kind of small. So what do you guys think? Which solvent dissolved the fastest and which one dissolved the slowest? Try it out at home. You can even use different liquids or even change the temperature. Maybe hot water, room temperature water, or cold water. Until next time.